have this question here. In the diagram below, AB is equal to that, BC is equal to that, DC is equal to that, and then we're given the two angles B and D. Let's put what we have there onto our diagram. AB is, this is 85 centimeters, and then we have BC is 72 centimeters. This is centimeter, né? And then DC is 55 centimeters, and then the angles we have 44 degrees, this angle, and then D here is this is D, and this is 104 degrees. And then our questions there, our questions are saying calculate the size of ACD. That's 7 marks. Oh, where is ACD? ACD is this angle here. That is ACD, and if we were to calculate ACD from what we have in triangle ACD there, we have an angle only. We have one side and one angle. We do not have enough information in this triangle. If we were having AC here, then we were going to be able to calculate the angle opposite 55 centimeters, and then we have that, and then we're going to be able to calculate the third angle. But looking at this triangle, we have a side, and an angle between those two sides. We can calculate the opposite side there, that is AC. So using cosine rule here, AC squared would be equal to A B squared plus BC squared minus 2AB and BC times cos B, that is the angle between, and then your squared goes to the other side as a square root, so we have AC here is equal to the square root of AB squared. Our AB is 85, so it's 85 squared plus BC is 72 squared minus 285 72, and then cos B is 44 degrees. This is all under the square root, and then on a calculator this is going to be 60,0357. I'm taking 4 after the comma because this is not my final answer. So I'm now saying this is 60.0357. That is my AC there. And then I have AC, I have the opposite angle, I have 55, I can look for angle A there. So looking for angle A, I can use sine rule. Our sine A there will be sine A over side DC, and that is equal to sine of D, sine D here over, we do have AC. My DC is 55, so this is sine A over 55 is equal to sine 104 over AC, it's 60.0357. Your 55 goes to the other side. We have Sine A is equal to 55 times sine 104 all over 60,0357. To get your A there, you take the second function of sine, and then we have this whole thing, 5 sine 104 all over 60.0357, and on your calculator this should give you 62,7365, and that is an angle there. We have angle A. We use what we have now to calculate what is needed. We have angle A, we have angle D, so we can calculate this angle ACD. So your ACD as an angle should be equal to 180 minus the sum of 104 and 62.7365, and on the calculator this gives me 13.26 degrees. That is ACD. And then that's all you have to do to get your 7 marks there, and then calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD. That is the whole thing. Now we need to calculate two areas here, area for this triangle and area for that triangle, and we add them. So my area is equal to area for this triangle. I have a side and an angle between, so my area will be 1 over 2 times the two sides, 85 and 72, then multiply by sine of the angle between those two sides, sine of 44 plus, okay, that is the previous question there, plus the second triangle. I have this side here, I have this side, and then I calculated this angle. We saw that this is 13.26, ne? So this is 1 over 2 times 55 times, we saw that this is 60.0357, and then times sine of 13.26. All that on your calculator, that gives you 2,504.37 square centimeters. That is our area, and that's how you are supposed to deal with question number 6.